Today we're going to do something that we've been wanting to do for the longest time. We're going to try to recreate this picture here using this package of Amazon balloons. Stay until the end and see how it turns out. The first thing that we want to do is to compare the balloons that we receive from Amazon versus the balloons that we normally use at a professional level. So this is what we're going to be working with. The first, I try to get the colors as close as possible to the colors that we work with on a regular basis. So this color is Fog Color from Tuftex, Blue Slate from Tuftex as well, White Sand from Sempertex, Gold Chrome from Qualitex. And these are the colors that we receive from Amazon. So you see they're pretty similar. The first thing that I'm noticing right now is that these balloons are smaller in size. So if I was to compare the size of the balloon, so I already know that the shape and the size are not going to be comparable to what we normally do. Let's inflate these balloons now. Okay, so number one, this is our Qualitex professional balloon, and this is Amazon. Let's see. So obviously we don't do balloons like this. And if you need any additional help as to how to inflate the balloons, and if you want more information about the different brands or where to find suppliers near you, we have another video. I'm gonna link it in the comments below, but you definitely need to watch that video. So now, this is an 11-inch balloon. Amazon ad says that this is a 10-inch balloon. You can see the difference. We will never use a balloon inflated to its max in a pearl shape. So I'm gonna inflate this balloon. It's gonna be like this, and this is gonna look like this. So this is the difference for the goal. So again, remember this is an 11-inch balloon. This is a 10-inch balloon. This is how they look. And this is how they look from the front. This is actually a nice color. The next one is gonna be the sand from Sempertex. Color is pretty similar too. Balloons are a little too small for me to work with, but let's see how it goes. So these ones are a little transparent in person. I'm not sure the video quite will get that, but in person is a little transparent. So I don't know if we can do something like showing, actually with the light here, you can see it. Can you see it?
Yes.
Can you see that it's transparent? Okay, and this one is not. This one is a solid color. There are also some confetti balloons in this kit, which were really nice. So we're gonna inflate one so you can see how it looks. Pretty straightforward. I wouldn't suggest that you ever inflate a confetti balloon with your electric pump, because some of that confetti can go inside the motor of your inflator and it can break down. So always use a hand pump when inflating any type of confetti. And it looks nice. The only thing is that that clear balloon has like a white line right in the middle. Like it's not as visible in the video. He's gonna show you right now, but is pretty visible in person.
Now this is what we're trying to accomplish based on this picture that we got from Amazon. And this is the material that they sent us. So what we have are most 10-inch balloons here and just 3 18-inch balloons, one of each color. Now we also have the 5-inch. Now remember, the 5-inch are not going to give it volume. They're not going to give it length. They're most likely just going to be accents.
Really, this is what we have to work with. Like this row right here and the goal. So we decided to do color blocking. That's why we're inflating quads of the same color. And then you'll see me putting it together. But I might say that these colors are surprisingly good. And also to our surprise, we didn't get any balloon to pop when we were inflating them. We were provided with a strip like this, and supposedly we have to attach each balloon to each little hole in the strip. So we're gonna try that. If you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button so we can create more content like this. So from my understanding, you just keep on going, and like that's more or less the look. Not sure how it works.
So you build the garland.
Until you build a complete garland. I'm gonna try one more thing to see if that will work. So we're gonna try to see if, oh no. Okay, fell. What if can we put one of the quads into the little hole? So that works?
I guess that works.
But then we have to like leave space between. Okay.
Epic fail. Let's do it our way.
Okay, so now we're just gonna do it our way. I like using fishing line to tie my balloon garlands, but there are different ways. We have two very good videos. One is to teach you different ways to tie balloon garlands, and the other one is how to actually make step-by-step small balloon garland, very much like the one I'm going to be making today. So you can watch those videos. If you know WeBalloonz from any other social media, you know that we like our work to be pretty big and lush and full. So trust me, I was struggling right now because most of the balloons are the same size, and it was challenging for me. This garland is about 6 feet right now, and I have very few quads left. So I was just trying the different options to see what will be the best way to display this mini garland. And then at some point I thought that maybe a tower will look better. So this is what I'm trying to do right now, just with a IKEA lamp. This was an epic fail. I didn't like the tower at all. So back to the original idea of making a garland. It's gonna be a small garland, but remember that we have a step-by-step tutorial on the other video. If you don't follow us on Instagram just yet, I will invite you to check out our work on Instagram. We post most of our jobs over there, and it's going to be a lot of inspiration for you. So here is my final review on this Amazon kit. They smell really bad. They feel cheap. When you touch it, when you're working with these balloons, they feel cheap. They were popping when I was working with them. Surprisingly, they didn't pop when we were inflating them. We were expecting some balloons to pop, but they didn't pop. They were popping as I was working with them. So for, let's say, an outdoor installation, this will be a very hard no for me. But for something like this, I am actually changing my perspective if you are starting your business. So this will only and only apply if you are a DIY mom or a DIY creator, or if you just starting your business. You can start with something like this. You buy a kit because it gives you all the different colors that you need to achieve a certain look. It is not ideal because it does not have the bigger size balloons, but it's definitely a great option to start. It cost only $16.99 Canadian. And again, you get like one full look, like this is one look. Then you can go and buy another one that's pink, and then you create something like that. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this video. Did you like it? Did you not like it? I need to hear from you. Let me know if you are a balloon professional and what you think about this video. Let me know if you just started and what you think about this video. I'm very curious to see your opinion. Overall, this was a great experience for me, so I could have an educated opinion about this Amazon balloons. Recommend it if you're just starting or if you are a DIY creator. If you or when you decide to take your business to a professional level, I highly recommend you switch to a professional brand just so you feel the quality of the balloons is different. They will last longer and they will look a lot better in person and in pictures. And this is it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoy and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.